Happy Canada Day! We're now on our way to the Legislative Building in Queen's Park. Hello, Queen's Park! Mainit. Mainit sa batok. We are here now in front of the Trivia Trek booth at kinakabahan po kami dahil may mga pa-trivia questions. So ayan, parang snakes and ladder. And if you get, I guess, a few questions right, there will be a prize waiting for you. And hindi ako ang sasagot, si Daryl. Pinilit ko siya.
Hindi, ikaw yung sasagot. Alam mo, ayoko. Hindi ko alam yung mga sagot.
May next question naman. Habang naghihintay kami ng turn namin, nakikinig po si Daryl. Attentively. Baka maulit yung tanong eh.
Okay, so now you just say the word.
Kinakabahan ka na?
Nakakabahan ka na? Alam mo na yung mga sagot.
Isisigaw ko sa'yo kung ano yung sagot.
Ano ba yan?
I-google ko. Good luck! Kaya mo yan, huwag kang kabahan.
Official languages.
Yay! Congrats! What was the hardest question?
Yung 4 original provinces.
4 original provinces.
Yes.
What was the easiest question?
I think the first one was the 3 oceans that border Canada.
Oh yeah, that's an easy one.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so kung si Daryl ay trivia booth, guess kung saan ako magpa-participate. Ha? There's a hula booth. Okay? Okay. For the followers. Oh, kaya ko pa. Now it's Daryl's turn. Okay, go! Isa pa. So yun nga guys, mas magaling pa si Daryl sa akin mag-hula hoop. Anong masasabi mo na magaling ka palang mag-hula hoop?
Madali lang pala.
Madali lang. Yabang. That's it! Actually, hindi pa tapos ang Canada Day celebration sa Queen's Park. But, yung pinag-parkingan namin ay may limit. So, bago tayo matiketan na mahal, so, huwag kayong papa-ticket ng parking. Kailangan